If you want to uninstall Adobe Lightroom, I'm going to show you the fastest way to do it based on how you installed it. This is important because the uninstall method is different if you got Lightroom from the Microsoft Store or through Adobe Creative Cloud. So in this quick guide, I'll walk you through both options step by step. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. First, let's talk about the Microsoft Store version. If you downloaded Adobe Lightroom from the Microsoft Store, the easiest way to remove it is directly from there. Open the Microsoft Store app on your computer, then use the search bar to find Adobe Lightroom. Once you find it, open the app page and look for the uninstall option. Click uninstall, then confirm if Windows asks you to approve the removal. After that, Lightroom will be removed from your system. Now, if you installed Lightroom through Adobe Creative Cloud, the process is slightly different. Open the Creative Cloud app and go to the Apps section. Find Lightroom in your installed apps list. Next to Lightroom, click the three dots menu. From that menu, choose Uninstall. Adobe will usually ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and approve it. The app will then uninstall from your computer. If you're not sure which version you have, just check where you originally downloaded it from. Microsoft Store installs are removed from the store, while Creative Cloud installs are removed inside the Adobe app. That's the key difference. Once the uninstall is finished, you can close the app and restart your computer if you want to make sure everything is fully refreshed. And that's it. Lightroom is now uninstalled. If this video helped you, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.